Over here are your one-sheets for committee meetings and briefs on upcoming legislative action. I filled Ashley in. She can cover until you find a replacement.
Christine.
Decide right away.
Okay, well, when you do decide, just, help me find a replacement. Give me a heads up.
Yeah, of course.
Pennsylvania is why he picked Matthews as a running mate, but now we have to find a replacement. The special election is this November.
Patricia Whitaker, DNC chair.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word replacement. It means the act of replacing. Also means a person or thing that replaces another. Some are replacements for vacationing staff, a replacement for a broken dish. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce replacement, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to please. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how replacement is used in real life.
Catherine Durant. Soon as Kern withdraws, you say.
Okay, well, when you do decide, just, help me find.
To be his replacement.
When you refused my offer, I had to tap a replacement.
I filled Ashley in. She can cover until you find a replacement.
We're no closer to naming his replacement than we were a month ago.
Now we have to find a replacement. The special election.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.